You know? Can we turn it up a little bit? Is it a little low? Well, let's blow the speakers out a little bit. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Now, don't get confused. It might sound offbeat sometimes, but keep going with what you know. Shuffle up right. Bring it back. Shuffle right, go. Stop and rock. Travel back. Shuffle left. Rock. Travel right back. Step and turn. Right into it. Shuffle up. Shuffle up. Good. Bring it back. Right. Stop and rock. Travel back left. Shuffle left, go. Stop and rock. Back right. 2 times. Step it up and turn. Walk it up 4. Part 2. You know it. Do what? Hey, okay, cute. Tap around. Right here. Now roll. Roll to the middle twice. Part 1. Here we go. Shuffle up. Take it to the right. Stop. Travel back left. Shuffle left. Stop and rock. Travel back right. Pivot turn. Shuffle right. Go. Good. Right into it. Bring it back. Bring it back. Take it to the right. Stop and rock. Take it back left. Travel. Shuffle to the left. Stop and rock. Take it back right 2 times. Step it up, turn. Walk it up 4. Part 2. Here we go. Work the middle. Tap around. Other side. Stay right here. Roll. Good. To the middle. Repeat that. Repeat it. Hey, hey. Tap around. Tap around. To the middle first. To the top. Part 1. Shuffle up right. Stop and rock. Shuffle left. Take it back right. Step turn. Shuffle up. Go. See y'all. Shuffle right. Stop. Hey. Hey. Take it back right. Good. Step it up. Turn. Walk. Part 2. All the way out. Here we go. Alright, y'all. Add your little groove. Come on. One more time. Let's go. Rock it out. Tap around, come on. We're gonna end it right here, rock it out. Keep rocking, keep rocking, keep rocking. Hey, good job, y'all. That's called Rock the Boat. The song is also called